Hi guys, my name is Dr. Varun Acharya. I'm a US board certified maxillofacial prosthodontist and I'm very proud to be part of the World Implant Expo, which is going to be conducted in Kochi from November 26th to November 28th. I'm going to be doing two presentations. One is going to be the main podium lecture where I'm going to be talking about implant complications and all of the issues we could potentially encounter when you're doing implant dentistry. And the second one is going to be a workshop. It's going to be a treatment planning workshop, and during this workshop we're going to look at the pre-op x-rays, the models, the casts, the patient's complaints, whatever is needed to arrive at a diagnosis and make a solid treatment plan. Because a lot of you know, or I hope you know, that the treatment plan is 90% of the work. The execution is only 10% of it. But as long as you have a good treatment plan in place, then that's something which is very, very workable to achieve a final excellent end result for your patient. I hope to see you in Kochi, November 26 to November 28 at the World Implant Expo. Take care and have a nice day.